Hey everybody, Ed here at Pilot Travel Center. Got my coffee and I bought a few pair of gloves from this place. It wasn't bad price, $18.99 for 3 pair. I don't think that's bad, that's convenience. Look at this, they're tearing this place apart. They're making it new again. Let's see how good of a job they do. Pilot remodeling, getting a pavement, new pavement. They're getting it ready. They're crushing it here. They are crushing it. Sarasota Tim don't know what crushing it is. Crushing it? What's he crushing? I don't know. We don't know. I guess he crushes campers. I don't know. We just get in the truck and get on our way. Because that's what we do. We crush work. Get my seatbelt on. Do this proper. Hold on. My seatbelt on. Get on our way. Pilot Travel Center coffee. 7 o'clock in the morning right here, right now. We up with the sun, down with the moon. Everybody's trying to change me. Nope, nobody's trying to change me. I just go to work. That's what we do. Get it done. Daily accomplishments, positive vibes, positive attitude. Thanks. Pro you need to know. I'll get with you and show you some of my daily accomplishments. I haven't been able to upload a lot of videos because my helper is into his thrash music, heavy metal. He can't work without it. And I swear every time I think I got a good video, I get a copyright. And they don't trim it. They say they'll trim it. Well, they trim it right out down to 7 seconds. Well, and it could be a 17-minute video. Whatever. Just keep life positive. That's all. Can't get mad about the not so liked things. It will bring you down, and you will have negativity. No negativity. Just positivity. Until next time, please like, share, subscribe. That's all you need to know.